Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we will learn about angles. Definitions of angles. An angle is the union of two rays having the same origin. Two sides. The two rays are called the sides of arms of the angles. Side AB and side AC. Vertex. The common origin is called the vertex of the angle. Vertex A. Name of the angles. Angle CAB or angle BAC. Different types of angles. Zero angle. An angle of 0 degrees is called zero angles. Acute angles. An angle greater than 0 degrees but less than 90 degrees is called acute angles. Right angles. An angle of 90 degrees is called a right angle. A right angle is one that measures exactly 90 degrees. Obtuse angle. An angle greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees is called an obtuse angle. Straight angle. An angle of 180 degrees is called a straight angle. Reflex angles. An angle greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees is called a reflex angle. Complete angles. An angle of 360 degrees is called a full or complete angles. Thank you.